Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday. It's July 31st, end of the month. Hope you guys had a great weekend here. Hey, just a side note here. I'm going to be out tomorrow, so there won't be any video tomorrow as I'll be kind of leaving early for travel, going on vacation for 2 weeks. But I will be bringing my laptop, all that good stuff, so I'll be doing some work while away, and we'll be producing the next one. Will be out on Wednesday the 2nd, so apologize for any interruptions, but yes, I'll be out travel. I won't be able to have the markets won't be open by when I'm leaving and stuff, so I won't be able to get this out for you guys tomorrow. So I apologize in advance. But for today, we got a couple items on the economic calendar. We do got a pretty busy one this week, actually. The big one, of course, is jobs. We have jobs coming out. Bureau of Labor Statistics will be releasing theirs on Friday. Of course, we got the weekly jobless claims at ADP, usually release theirs on Wednesday. So the big one, of course, would be Bureau of Labor Statistics. We also got some inflation numbers coming out of manufacturing. So we got a lot of stuff coming in this week here for a month end for July. So today we'll start off with the Chicago PMI, which is the manufacturing in the Chicago region. June's reading came in at 65.7, and in July it dropped to 58.9. So we saw this kind of pretty much the same thing in the Philadelphia and the New York regions, where those also dropped in the month of July. So overall, something we got to kind of keep our eyes on. But when we saw the overall numbers, it looked like it went up, if I recall correctly, with the PMI and stuff. So we'll have to kind of wait and see. Pending home sales from the month of June. So back in May, it dropped 0.7%. And in the month of June, it went up 1.5%. So obviously a good sign right there. Home sales are still going up, which is obviously a good sign, especially for homeowners. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the headline news. Stock market's mixed. Pretty much everybody's up except for NASDAQ. The tech sector is kind of the one that's taking a bit of a beating today. All your big ones like your Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, all those guys are pretty much taking a little bit of a beating today on the earnings reports. Boeing, the reason why Boeing had a big order today and had a big profit, so that's what the Dow is, why the Dow is up as well. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the bond market. And the bond market, we're up right up against this 50-day moving average. We still haven't moved that much. We're up about 3 basis points from where we left off on Friday. We see the 10-day moving average kind of pushing us up further. As you see, we even touched it earlier in the day. And right now we're right up against that line. See, at some point we'll get kind of squeezed there. Kind of force us in one direction or the other direction. So pricing really hasn't changed, so I wouldn't say interest rates really changed at all from where we left off on Friday here. So again, this is a big week, so it could easily go one direction or the other direction due to the news that we have this week. One interesting note on the S&P 500 was so far these quarterly we've been seeing these earnings reports. Out of the 289 companies out there, it went up to 73%. 73% of those corporations have exceeded expectations. Before we were kind of averaging around 71%, and it went up to 73%. So things are getting a little bit better, at least in the corporate world, in there as well. All right, folks. So that pretty much concludes it for the day. But if you guys want to get more updates, just come over to Twitter at Mike Bjork, and I'll be posting on there. I'll try to be posting at least on Twitter, try to get some of this headline news on Twitter. So if you want to come over to Twitter, you might even see a little bit of that tomorrow while I'm traveling. I might be able to try to, sporadically kind of post a few things here and there on there. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. If you guys are in the market for a mortgage, I am a loan officer, so feel free to reach out to me via email. Is the best way to reach me. I can help you out with your purchase needs, helping you get pre-approved or purchasing your next property to your refinance transactions, from taking money out of the property to what they call cash out refinance, to those who are looking to change rates, from maybe you still have a high rate, want to go into a lower rate, or those who simply want to go to a 30-year fixed to 15-year fixed, or to get out of those adjustables with the rates going up and into a fixed rate. So just feel free to go ahead and contact me via email, and that would be the best source, and we'll help you out. All right, folks. Hey, great. Thanks so much for watching again today. We'll see you guys on Wednesday, and take care. Thanks again. Bye-bye.